That motherfucker looks good.
You like that?
Yeah. Which one is
That's mine.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, where have you been? Today I'm going to show you how to make these really delicious delicious neck bones, pinto beans with neck bones. That's my choice of meat, turkey neck bones. I'm just browning it in my pressure cooker, getting it nice and cooked. I let my pinto beans soak for a whole night, then I'm just giving a little quick rinse. Right here I put some beef broth into that pressure cooker, and I'm just cleaning up all the flavor. Very important, we got all that burntness from under the pan. It's not really burnt, it's flavor. Right here we're going in with some veggies and some bacon pieces. The fat from this bacon is really going to just do something to these beans. I don't know what, but it's going to do something. This is my beef broth. I believe this was like 48 ounces, and it was just enough. Just perfectly just enough. You don't want it to be too watery because you want the gravy. You want a gravy, Now I'm going in with my what is that, beef bouillon? I don't know how to say that. And some garlic. Bouillon. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then shit. It's in one of these cooking videos, I'm sure. You just gotta pay attention. Now, I'm just using onion powder for this. I don't want to use any salts because that will seize up your beans and prolong your cooking time. We're going in with an hour and 30 minutes. Boom! This how it's looking. We're going in with some Tapatio or some Crystals, whatever you want. This is some nature seasonings. I believe that is some Creole seasonings. Not too much, just enough for the flavor. You want to taste it. Some onion powder. And I did put garlic powder in there as well. How do I know my seasoning just from looking at it? Baby, because I be in the kitchen. What are you talking about? Look at them beans. Oh, wait, look at them beans. Look at them motherfucking beans. Right here, I'm just smashing up some of them delicious beans. And this right here is going to thicken up and start that gravy, because you don't want it to be all watery when you're pouring over your rice and cornbread, you know what I'm saying? Right on time. Here we are with the cornbread. We getting the pus out the eggs. This is very, very important. This is why I don't eat people eggs. I just cannot do it. If you don't do this, please don't invite me to your cookout because you dirty. No, you're not dirty. You just probably wasn't informed until just now. So I'm glad that you are informed that you need to take out. Some people call it the eye, the placenta. I don't know what it is, but baby, I know I don't want it. Now this is some what is that? Coronation milk? I don't know. Some of that. Then we're going to whisk up our regular little cornmeal mixture. I don't go by the box, but I do get the box. We're going to create a little circle so when we pour in our liquid, it don't splash everywhere. Easy cleanup. Whisk that up, get that all blended, make it become one. I do add butter and sugar and all of that to my cornbread. This is honey cornbread. Now in my iron skillet, I melted some butter, and I'm just going to pour that right on in there, just like that. Look at these beans, man. I just can't. Right here, I'm smashing up some beans because I see it's still not thickening like how I want. And I actually took out some beans, got me some flour, and I used some of that juice, mix it together. Now I'm just going to pour it in there. Don't talk about my nails. I'll be washing my hands every 2 seconds because I'm not dirty like y'all. And who would be using gloves in the kitchen because I got to change my gloves every 2 seconds. Now look at this right here. This is some butter and some honey I am mixing up for that. Oh my goodness, look at that cornbread. Now I'm just going to put this in every crack, crevice, every section, get it real nice and organized. And, look at that. Just put it in the oven, broil for about 3 minutes. Look at me pour that on that rice like that. You could just taste it through the screen. You know that shit about to be good. I got a poor cameraman. But she was excited to eat. She wasn't ready. She wasn't trying to record all that. She was trying to get her fork and dig in. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below, you know, give me some tips or whatever. What should I cook next? Do y'all like my cooking videos? I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Look at that cornbread. Oh my God, look at that cornbread. I'm about to go make some right now. I'm about to go make, yes, I seasoned my rice. I seasoned everything. Don't play with it. Thanks again for watching. See y'all soon.